One of the biggest questions in your mind is, can I update my Mac to latest macOS Big Sur or macOS 11? So the list of device compatible with the new software update. Here's Kelly from How It Was All, and I will see the list of supported Mac, MacBook system and how to check your Mac and MacBook version. Supported Mac, MacBook and Mac Mini models are MacBook 2015 and later, MacBook Air 2013 and later, MacBook Pro late 2013 and later, Mac Mini 2014 and later, iMac 2014 and later, iMac Pro 2017 and later, Mac Pro 2013 and later. Now check your device model from Settings. Go to the Apple logo from the top left menu and click on About this Mac. Now you will see the small window on your screen. Here's your Mac model. That's it. If you didn't receive software update, then go with some troubleshooting solutions. Try the important troubleshooting give here. First is double check the software compatible models. Second is manually find macOS Big Sur in your Mac App Store. Also, check enough storage, Apple menu, then About this Mac and click the Storage tab. Fourth is make sure about active internet connection. The fifth solution is your Mac is frozen, wait for or try after restart. The number 6 solution is reset RAM on your Mac. The 7th solution is to check Apple server system status. The number 8 solution is try in recovery mode. 9th solution is update your Mac in safe mode, then exit when updated. And find more troubleshooting updates and about the bug in the comment of this video.